Hello you guys, my name is Jose Estrada, known as your Mojave Master. Welcome to the next episode of Master Meals. As you can see, today's a good day, sunny day, which means summer is right around the corner. So what I have for you today is burgers, but we're not gonna use store-bought burgers today, we're gonna make our own burgers. I have already prepped my stuff. So the recipe that I have for you today only makes 3 burgers. You can double this up, quadruple it up, make however many you want for yourself, your family, friends. So my recipe calls for 1 pound of ground beef, 80 to 20 lean to fat ratio. You get the nice juicy burgers. I also added a 1/4 cup of panko. You can swap it out for breadcrumbs. This is gonna be our binder for the meat. I have 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Next, we're gonna mix everything up. Don't be afraid to get in there, mix everything by hand. There is no machine that can compete with your hands that can bind the meat as well as you do. All right, you guys, so now that we have our burgers already portioned out, our grill is already seasoned, so we're just gonna lay out our burgers on the spot on the grill where we already seasoned it. Just like that. All right, so what I'm doing here is I'm making little divots in the center of these burgers. That way when you flip them, they don't puff up. Since I've been handling raw meat, I don't want to touch anything else, so we're going to dispose of our gloves to prevent any cross-contamination from happening. What you're going to do is take your finger with your clean hand, get the inside, and we're going to go ahead and flip that on the inside. See, one thing I like to add on my burgers is I like the flavor of grilled onions as opposed to raw onions. Let it sweat out a little bit. You don't need it to get too caramelized. One thing to note when making burgers is ideally you're only going to flip this one time. You don't want to keep turning the burgers. That'll let the juices out and you'll have a drier burger. So prevent from over flipping these burgers. This caramelization is what I'm going for. So all you need is 1 flip. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I like my buns a little bit toasted. So butter side down, we get that going. Next, these burgers are ready for some cheese. So right now I only have 3 going. But this Mojave is meant to be super family oriented. We've cooked about 40 burgers at once, making it easy for your cookouts. So right now these burgers are just about done. I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese. I personally like the flavor that this pepper jack cheese brings to it. I like a little bit of a kick. So I'm going to go ahead and get that on there and have the cheese melt. All right, you guys, so our burgers are now ready for assembly. I put my onions up top. Cheese is nice, melted. When you see this color, that's when you know the bun is nice and toasted. This is what I call GBD, also known as golden brown and delicious. So we're gonna put this, settle this on top, just like that. All right, you guys, so now our burger is done, and as you can see, plenty of nice juices that are coming out of this burger. That's that 80 to 20% lean to fat ratio that I was talking about earlier. The last thing to do is enjoy. There you go, guys. That was it for this episode of Master Meals. I hope you go out and give this recipe a try. Once again, my name is Jose Estrada, also known as your Mojave Master. Be sure to like, Comment below what you guys want to see on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next episode of Master Meals.